Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to bring you something that I didn't just buy. I've had this for a while. I just didn't know where it was. It is my Cosmo Cube. I don't know if you've heard of this, but it is one of those Instagram made me do it purchases that I did a few years ago. And most people use it for their makeup collections, of which mine is pretty large. But we moved last summer and I couldn't find it. So I had bought another acrylic tray at Target or something like that. And now that acrylic tray is sitting in a basket that also has makeup around the edges of that. Plus I'm using one of my Sephora cups that I got for free to hold my brushes. So we were organizing because I've moved to that part of stay at home. I finally got to the organizing. I was still procrastinating on that. And I found it in a laundry basket of all places. And I said, ah! And so that saves me from buying another one maybe if I can get everything in here. But these are amazing, and you don't have to just put makeup in it. You can put whatever you want in it. It's just a really nice 4-drawer. It has partitions in there that you can remove, which I think I'm going to actually have to do on some of these levels to fit your items in there. So I have a few items in my lap, usually at the bottom. I don't know if you can see the bottom drawer right there, but usually that's where I would put like my square items, like the palettes and stuff. I would put those down here and then work up with smaller items. This drawer has a crisscross kind of setup, but I know I'm gonna have to remove that, but I can fit some lashes in here, fit highlighter in here. I don't think I can fit this in there, so we'll move on up. This is just to give you an example. This one has the narrow slats in there, and I can put a brush will fit, the liquid foundation will fit, and more lashes will fit. So I believe Cosmo does make, and I do love the name, I believe Cosmo Cube does make larger, even larger ones than this, or I can just buy a second one. But I was so excited the first time that I bought this, and I need it even more now. So this was a pretty cool find. So you might be able to shop your home right now and find items that you've put away and forgot, or if you're like us and moved around a lot, you may have some boxes still with items in it that you can use, because I know my garage has a whole bunch of stuff that I could probably be using, but I'm not right now. So this is a Cosmo Cube. I found them on Instagram. I'm sure you can just Google Cosmo Cube. I think what makes them different than the ones in the stores is the size and the amount of what you can get. They're really, really solid and heavy. So this actually went through two to three moves, and it's not cracked or anything. Everything is in perfect condition. All I had to do was clean it with some dish soap and water, and it's still really good, and it's heavy, so it's pretty solid. So yes, the regular acrylic stuff at the store is usually pretty good, but this is really heavy. And so if I get another one, I will definitely post a picture of it. But that's something you can do when you're at home now, is get organized. Our weather has been kind of crappy, except for today. We have sunshine, but I still have my fireplace going because that's just kind of helping my head. And it's not hot out, it's just sunny. But when the rain was here, I had to do something, so I did start organizing more stuff, and I did a little more shopping. So yeah, Cosmo Cube, give it a go. And of course the name is just awesome, Cosmo. So hi and welcome back to my channel. This video is still part of my getting organized video. I I've just put out some of my jewelry collection, not all of it, but I really wanted to find something that could hold these pieces safely because I usually kept them in their boxes, and this allows me more room on my dresser and my space. And I just went on Amazon.com, and I got this tray here that I'm using for earrings and rings. Have my brooch on it, just sitting there. You can pin items into the material if you want, but it has enough room for tons and tons of rings, whatever you want to put in there. I also got this display piece. It's felt. It is for necklaces. I'm gonna buy a couple more because I have more necklaces that need space than this, but it's just really elegant looking and goes with a lot of decor, so I thought that would be cool. And this I pictured the other day when I was showing my new Louis Vuitton lock bracelet. So I only put my Louis bracelets on in that picture on my Instagram, and then since then I added more of my bracelets and watches, and my luggage tag that I'm not using from my niece BB that's in repair right now, so I stuck that there. Believe it or not, I still have this. You guys remember this right here? I don't know why they stopped selling this because I really did love it, but I still have it, so I keep keeping that up there so I don't lose it. But yeah, these little pieces are very inexpensive. I think you can also get acrylic ones and stuff for different colors, but I like the black because black is just easy, and it's easier to identify your pieces too when they're on there. So yeah, I got the tray, I got this, and I got this, and I think I definitely need to get a couple more of these for my stuff and probably for my husband's stuff as well, so you'll have all your stuff in one place. You can put your boxes away, and it kind of is decorative in its own right on your dresser. So another way to get organized while you're staying at home. But yeah, just go on Amazon.com and look it up and find what you can find that'll work for you, what your choice is. So just another organizing tip for staying at home. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. It's another Organize with me and my little friend Sabby. She wanted to come in this video, so don't get mad at me. But I've been moving these things around my room so much, and so I just threw them in a bag. I know this is awful, but this is my twilly bandeau scarf collection. I am not very good at keeping these organized. This was actually, I think, my latest one. I have a video on this unboxing with the little blingies on it. I mean, this is not here's my cute collection videos, because I actually need to, the way that I clean these is I use the home dry cleaning kits where you put these in the dryer with the wet towel, like Woolite I believe has them, and you just stick them in there for like 20 minutes, and that gets the wrinkles out normally. There's another one, and this one's my Dior, and I remember, I believe it was Wendy's Love and Life had connected me with her sales associate, and I wanted this one so bad because I am a Virgo, and it's from that astrology collection that they had, and you know how we Virgos are. So thank you, Wendy, because I do adore this piece. This was a gift from my husband from Christmas. It is beautiful. I love, he's not into animal prints, but I am. That goes with my Louis and Chanel's and Hermes because it's just as valuable to me. I'm putting all of these, I'm kind of folding them next to the dog just so you can get an idea of what I'm dealing with. Chanel Aeroport. Look at that big one. It's huge, huge. And there's little airplanes on it up there. And this one's very delicate. Is even in there. This was another Louis Vuitton one. The Jungle Fever one. My Burberry, you know how long that is. This is one of my faves. I do love this one. Classic, classic Burberry. Louis Vuitton right here. Actually, I think it still has a dry cleaning tag on it. This is life when you move a lot. Isn't that pretty? I think I got that in Hawaii. I'm pretty sure we were living there. Here. There's my Hermes Twilly, my favorite color. It's another one that I wear in my hair. I love that one. Love it, love it. This one I love. I don't know why, but this reminds me of like a chocolate covered cherry with these color mix, the brown. It makes me think of a chocolate covered cherry. So every time I see this, I get a little hungry. It's in TJ Maxx, Home Goods, shopping with my daughter. I'm always just looking for little bits of stuff, you know? And I found this. And I took a picture of it and I put it on my Instagram a couple weeks ago because that's when I was targeting organizing. But yeah, so this has 16 holes in it. So I should be able to get everything, if folded properly, into these. And my plan is the larger pieces at the bottom and then, you know, go up from there to the bandeaus and the twillies. And then this just will go into your closet. So I will do that. I will just show you the final product. Also folds up like that too, which is pretty cool. That would be a good tip for you guys if you're sitting at home and you're organizing your collections. You know, that's a great way. And if you guys have a way that you manage your collections of bandeaus, twillies, and scarves, please share below because I would like to hear because I'm going to get more. And if I can't source that again, I would like to know a way to nicely keep it together. I know I feel a little embarrassed showing how wrinkly some of them are and pulling them out of a bag, but again, that's, you know, that's the lifestyle we've had. That lifestyle is over. We're kind of sort of settled, so I should be able to keep up with things a lot better now. But again, these are things that I have found, and while in quarantine, I wanted to at least get a little bit of organizing done. Would please subscribe, I would appreciate it. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. The dog's moved over there, but she said to tell you bye-bye, and thanks for watching.